Back to my channel Admirable Anthony Art and Crafts. So today I am back with one more tutorial for you all. So today in my new video I will show you how to make easy DIY pair of earrings with the wool and white pearl. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the press the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's start with the procedure without any delay. So for making the earring, I have taken here orange color yarn thread, and just for making it I just wrap it in your first finger like this around 15 times. So it is done. Now the leftover wool we will be inserting it in the needle. So like this I have inserted it in the needle, and just don't fold it completely, only leave its first end. And now just take the thread and just insert through the wool, and just take this thread and just round it around the needle, and just pass it through the wool and finger, and just tight it. And similarly again you do the same process like this as I am showing to you. Means you have to stretch it like this, and just follow the instructions and carefully do it. Like this. So just similarly you complete the wool. So yeah, it is done. See, you notice here that the edges of the circle is thickened. Now just using the needle again, just make a knot at one tip to secure it like this. And to whom don't know the sewing, just carefully follow the instruction and then do the process like this, and just using your fingers shape it like this. And now after that, take here some white pearls in the bowl, or again same, and I have taken here one decorative pearl or the earring decorative beads, and just insert the pearls through the needle. And for the lining I have taken here small pearls. And here I have inserted around 3 pearls and 2 this decorative stones, and you can increase the pearls according to your preference like this. So see how beautiful it is looking. And again just tie here one knot through the needle like this. Now take here one earring hook, and now after that just put the earring hook and just again insert the needle through its hole, and just tighten it to fix it on the earring like this. And after that just cut the excess wool, and now your earring is done. And after that take here one white pearl, and just take here a big pearl and just insert the pearl through the needle, and just and to the wool round and just secure it like this. And after that, cut the excess wool out of the pearl. Similarly, I have created here another earring. So I hope you all guys like the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and just create and wear. And don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. And nextly, I want to tell you that in the comment section of this video, I'll be posting a poll that what do you want next. So please go and check and just answer the question which I ask and tell that what do you want next from the 4 options. And similarly, I will be creating the thing which will be having the most and more votes. So I hope you all guys like the video. So please like, share and subscribe, and just try the tutorial, and don't forget to share with your friends, must. Thank you. I hope we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.